everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share my monthly empties with you. Now I can't promise you guys that I'm gonna show my empties every month with you because there are YouTubers who are buying skincare stuff, makeup, body and hair every month. But when it comes to me, as I said so many times in my video, I do not use makeup. And when it comes to makeup, the only thing I like to buy it's lipstick or lip balms and all. So I mostly spend my money on skincare and a self-care, and I do not buy everything every month because sometimes I just maybe need cleanser, or maybe sometimes I just need to buy a body wash. So that's why I don't know that I can share my empties every month, but I will try my level best that I can make these kind of videos every month for you. Now without any delay, let's start. So the very first thing which I'm going to show you, of course it's a cleanser, because we start our day with a good cleanser. So I use two cleansers, one is for the daytime and one is for the nighttime. Now as I said, I do not use makeup, so I'm not using two cleansers to remove my makeup and all. It's just like in the morning time I just need something which can hydrate my skin, because sometimes I just don't feel like to apply anything on my face, and that time only a good cleanser can save my skin. So the very first product which I'm going to show you, so this is the first cleanser from Jordan Samuel, the after show treatment cleanser. This one is for sensitive skin. This cleanser is a gel to oil formula for my normal to dry skin. I really enjoyed this cleanser because after using this cleanser, my skin feels so hydrated and so soft that sometimes I really just don't need anything else on my skin. It is a little bit oily, but when you washed your face, or you can wipe it off, it's up to you. But I normally like to wash my face, and after washing my face, I feel so good. So for me, this cleanser is a must have, and this cleanser is from Cora Organics. This cleanser is a gentle cleanser. It's a cream cleanser. Now with this cleanser, everything is good, like the ingredients, the company, the philosophy, everything is good here. But somehow I did not enjoy this cleanser as much as I enjoyed this one. This cleanser is also for sensitive skin, but somehow it's just not something which I really like. So I'm not going to buy this cleanser again, but I'm very happy that I just spend my money on travel size first before committing to the full size. So this cleanser is no for me. Now before I talk about my next empty, I really want to tell you one thing, that I do not use toners. When it comes to toners, I prefer to use homemade toners, or if it comes to commercial one, I just like to buy pure rose water, that's it. But if I just got free toners from Sephora or from Ulta, I will definitely try, but personally I do not buy toners. So the next which I finished is Aurelia Day Moisturizer. I just recently reviewed this brand, so I already said so many good things about this moisturizer in my previous video. You can check the link below. I really adore this moisturizer. So I like everything about this moisturizer, from ingredients to packaging, because packaging is a glass packaging, environment friendly. I really like it. So I will definitely gonna buy this moisturizer again. So the next is Exotic Goddess Ageless Serum. It's from Edible Beauty Australia, and this is one of my favorite brand. This serum is really lightweight. At the same time, it hydrates your skin, and this is good for every skin type. Even if you have oily skin, you can apply this on your face with full confidence. And the ingredients are really very good, and the philosophy of this brand is also very good. I really adore this brand. This brand products also comes in a glass packaging. Most of the products comes in a glass packaging, especially their serums and moisturizer and all. So this is something I really like, so I definitely gonna buy this again. Next is Exotic Seed of You Anti-Aging Oil. So this product is also from Edible Beauty. Again, I like everything about this product, from smell to ingredients, but when it comes to oil, I feel that I like their sunflower oil much better than this oil. Although they said that this is very good for even for an oily skin type, but I feel their sunflower oil absorbing so quickly in your skin. This one I have to struggle a little bit, but again, it's not a bad product. It's a really very good product, but I will not buy this one again. I will definitely buy their sunflower oil, but not this one. Now the next product is a vitamin A cream, and it's not completely empty, but it's actually going to expire soon, so I have to discard. This is the product, and guys, I got this from my dermatologist. It's a prescription one, vitamin A, so this is really good. I think whatever skin issue I had little bit, this cream really targeted them, and I felt that this cream is so good. If you want to know more about this product and more about vitamin A, I can make another video for that. So this is something I need to buy again. Now this product is a prescription product, so I can't tell you that where you can buy. You have to meet your doctor or dermatologist, and they can only prescribe you. By the way, the cost of this cream is $200. When doctor told me about the price, I was like, what, $200? Thanks to our insurance, we only paid $10, so it's a good deal. Now let me show you the last product related to my skincare. It's a eye cream from Drunk Elephant. It's a C Tango multivitamin eye cream. Now when it comes to eye cream, I'm not a big fan of eye creams. I do not buy eye creams often. I just buy whenever I need to try some new products from any brand or something like that. Then I only buy the eye creams. This eye cream I got free from Sephora. And if I just talk about the performance, about the texture and how I felt, so this is a very lightweight eye cream. It definitely hydrates your eye area, but again, it's not something that I have to go back and buy a full size or even buy a travel size. I can do without it. And if it comes to eye cream, I would like to explore more brands and more products, so I will not buy this eye cream again. Now let me show you my body care empties. So the very first product is this. This is a body wash from Native. This brand actually I found on social media and I wanted to try because this brand is really like affordable and good. This product is sulfate free, paraben free, and it's free from so many nasty chemicals. The only thing I do not like about this product is a packaging. Also, it does not hydrate my skin the way I wanted, but it's not a bad product. It's a nice product. Would I like to buy this again? Maybe I can buy this product again, but for now I need to try some other product. But overall, it's not a bad product. Next is body cream from Edible Beauty again. So this body butter or a body cream is really good. It's not oily, not at all greasy. Hydrates your skin really well and you're not gonna feel any kind of oiliness. It's really good for summertime, I must say. And the company claimed that apart from the nourishing, it also, firming your skin, which I can't say because I didn't say anything firming effect on my body. The only thing I feel is the hydration. So this is another product which I'm confused about. I can buy again or maybe not. So we will see if I gonna buy this again or not. But so far it's a good buy and it's a good product. Next is a hand cream from Cora Organics again. This hand cream I really enjoyed. The fragrance is so divine, so uplifting. It's suitable for all skin type and it's not at all extra oily. This cream you can use in a summertime or in a cold time both. So I'm going to buy this again for sure. So guys, like any other women, I also like perfumes and fragrances. And this time I just finished this tiny bottle from Forest Essential. This is an Indian brand and I really like it. This is a body mist and smell so divine. The ingredients here are all natural and all organic. Now because it's a mist, so it's not gonna stay with you for a very long time, but it's definitely give you a very nice fragrance. So this is something I would like to buy again and I would like to buy a full size. Okay guys, I'm really very sorry. I forget to show another body product which is a bath and shower oil. It's also from Forest Essentials. This is one of the products I love a lot. So we all know that bath and shower oils are really very easy way to hydrate your skin just after shower. You just need to apply on your wet skin and that's it. smell good, it makes you feel so special because of the fragrance, and the fragrance stay with you at least for 4 to 5 hours. That is something I really like. So this is something I'm gonna buy again. So in hair care I have only 2 products. So first is a shampoo. It's from Verb. It's a hydrating shampoo. The shampoo is mild and color safe. So the best part about this shampoo is the price. The price is really good and you are getting 355 ml. If I use this shampoo alone, it's gonna be with me more than a month. But because my husband also, use the same shampoo, whatever I use, because he's not very, particular about these things. So he just say, give me whatever you are using. So I was like, okay, I'm using this. That's why we finished it within a month. For me, it's just like a average hydrating shampoo, nothing special to me. I do not feel like all of a sudden my hair like change forever. So for me guys, it's a very good daily use shampoo. It also free from sulfates and parabens. So this product is really good if you are looking for high-end, hair range, but you don't want to pay so much for the hair care product. So this brand is one of the brand which, providing you like quality hair care product with a good price. So I can buy this shampoo again. Next is a hair vitalizer. It also from Forest Essentials. So I like everything about this product. Like it smells so good. It's very lightweight. When you apply on the hair, it do not feel greasy or oily. But if you apply way too much, it's gonna make your scalp very oily. But I don't know about the claim. It says that this vitalizer, restores the vitality of hair and simulates hair growth. I can't comment on hair growth because this is my actually second bottle and I did not see any kind of a significant change, in my hair texture or in a growth or something like that. So maybe I need to use more to see any positive changes. But so far this product is something I can buy again because I like everything about this product. There's no nasty chemicals in this product. Everything is good. The only thing I wish they can just change their packaging. That's it. Otherwise, it's a good product. So that's it, guys. These were my empties which I shared with you. I hope you liked this video, and if you want that I make these kind of videos more, you can just comment below, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care. Bye.